Today, I'm going to be installing this LeoVince, however you pronounce it, exhaust, the LV10. It's going on the CBR500R. And I'm going to give you guys a cold start. So I'll be replacing it with the LeoVince, I don't know, LV10 exhaust. I love the way they package their products. We've got the mid pipe here. We've got the spring pull, and then the other hardware is included in here. But the part that you all want to see is the exhaust itself. So this is the LeoVince LV10, and I like it because it does have some carbon fiber accent. It's carbon fiber accent, which is going to match the full carbon fiber that's on my dashboard on my CBR. So hopefully this sounds really good. I've been trying to I found a couple reviews online, or at least audio clips online for the CBR500, and it's got a real throaty bass, so it sounds good, and hopefully it sounds good on my bike. I have had a couple issues this week with doing mods with my my mirrors. I'm still working on that because I love those mirrors. I want to see what I can do to try to keep them, but it's not looking good for me. So all right, you know we got to do the obligatory start without the pipe on here. So here we go. All right, y'all, this is it. We've got the finished product here, and let me see how it sounds. The install was pretty straightforward. You just got to strong arm things a little bit, probably a little bit more than you would think, but it all worked out. Well, I should say that until we start up. So here we go. Let me go home before I get in trouble out here. That thing sounds crazy. I do think there's a change. This is less restrictive because it's rolling through the RPMs much easier than it did before. I know that's a fact. I would definitely need some earphones. Sheesh.
So I'm on the Osmos today too.